Hey, what's going on, traders? Happy New Year's to everybody. Was looking at a couple patterns today, you guys, and I really wanted to talk about this pattern, you guys. I don't do much videos, too much, but when I see a good pattern, I gotta do like a video about it when something like sticks out to me. Something's kind of important, like this. I did a few videos about this in the past, but over 7, 8 years ago, you guys, this pattern still works, right? It's not really a pattern; it's more of like a technical whatever analysis pattern, whatever you call it, right? So you want to look for a break of the trend first of all, right? Right? It broke that trend, right? Right above here. Let me make this like a different color so you guys. This is PayPal. We're gonna make it. Let's just make it yellow, orange, whatever. So stick out so you guys can know what I'm talking about. Okay, when it breaks this trend, not perfectly, you guys, but the area of this trend line, it might be transitioning right into a new trend, right? Now, if I go like this, it could start a new trend, right? But we're not looking at that yet, right? But let's say it starts a new trend, right? Like, let's start going up. Before I get into that, this is a 200 MA, right? A lot of traders know this is like a big resistance or support. Now, what we have under it is not only it broke the trend for today, or some people call it like a hidden channel if you want to see it from this side, like this, right? If you want to see this like this, it broke the channel. If you want to look at it closer, and it could have possibly started a new channel, right? Possibly. It could still go down, you guys. It could be like whatever. Anything could happen in the market, right? But let's just say it starts a new channel, right? Let's just say it starts a new channel. Tomorrow, let's just say it gets above here. That's where I would be buying. It has to break above all these short guys pain level, right? But today's pattern, it is in hindsight, but if you prepared for it, you would have got it, you guys. Now look at this. You got patterns. You got probably 3 patterns. That's what you want, you guys. You want patterns within patterns. You got the big strong down break pattern, right? Then we got a 1-2 double bottom. And another thing is, who knows what this is right here? Who knows? The 50 moving average, the 50 MA, right? A perfect bounce off the 50. A perfect bounce off the 50, you guys. And then when it got up, see this perfect bounce above the 50? As soon as it broke that little trend, what happened? It held. It became new support. It's not perfect. Like they say, it's an area, right? Like this. Let's just say this is the area between this and this, right? It broke that area and closed above it. Like, let's say you don't like this pattern, the one I'm talking about. 1, 2, double bottom, right? And guess what? The both bottoms are right at the 50 MA. It can't get any more powerful than that, you guys. The only way it could get more powerful maybe if it was like if the 200 was also under there. But you guys, I got PayPal on watch. Anything can happen, but you really want to watch it break the 200 MA before this thing turns bullish. But for a day trade, this is a great pattern, you guys. Another great pattern is look at as soon as it broke this area, like 1, 2 try, and it held VWAP to the T and held that little previous resistance become new support. So how I like to play these, you guys, is let's say I got this chart up, right? Let's just say we're not looking at it in hindsight, right? But let's just say I got this chart up. And I'm gonna follow the chart until it breaks. And when I see it can't break this channel right here, you guys, I'll be gone right here. But if it does a 1, 2 try on VWAP, I might re-enter, you guys. There's nothing wrong with re-enter, you guys. Right now, to get a new high, we have to get it above here for now. Right, I know there's a lot of lines, you guys, but then the key resistance right now is 60.50. We got to get above that, and we got to get, like, tomorrow above $61, basically. But it's not that much bullish, you guys, until it crosses the 200 and actually holds. So this could go back down and fail again, you guys. So be careful. I hope you guys kind of get it. You should look at this pattern, you guys. The smart ones will dissect this pattern, and only takes 1 good pattern or 2 good patterns. Really 1, but if you have a couple good tools in your toolbox, guys, you'll master the markets. Remember what we always say: plan the trade, trade the plan. Smash that like, leave a comment, you guys. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.